Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a detailed breakdown of the significance and impact of right-party contact rate in a contact center. Let's now look at the revenue and collections impact of right-party contact rate. First, RPC acts as a direct revenue driver. In sales and telemarketing, more right-party contacts translate into more opportunities to pitch, convert, and generate revenue. Second, in collections, RPC is critical for success. The higher the RPC, the more repayment conversations can take place, directly driving financial recovery rates. And third, RPC plays a major role in lead monetization. Whether leads are purchased or generated in-house, maximizing RPC ensures outreach actually connects with the intended customer, protecting and amplifying the return on lead investments. The key takeaway: a higher RPC doesn't just improve efficiency, it directly fuels sales growth, debt recovery, and overall financial performance. Now let's explore how right-party contact rate impacts operational efficiency. First, think about dialing effectiveness. RPC tells us how many outbound calls actually turn into meaningful conversations versus how many are wasted on wrong numbers, voicemails, or gatekeepers. Second, consider agent productivity. A higher RPC means agents spend less time on dead-end calls and more time engaging with the right customers, those interactions that truly drive revenue or repayment. And third, workforce optimization. Strong RPC performance reduces idle time, improves agent utilization, and lowers the overall cost per right-party contact. In short, a higher RPC doesn't just create better outcomes, it makes the entire operation leaner, smarter, and more cost-efficient. Let's now focus on how right-party contact rate drives cost control and return on investment. First, consider cost per conversion. When RPC is high, fewer dials are needed to secure a sale or a payment. That means less time spent, lower telecom charges, and reduced labor costs, driving real efficiency. Second, think about marketing spend. Many centers purchase leads at a significant cost. A higher RPC ensures those investments actually deliver value, maximizing ROI from every lead acquired. And third, dialer efficiency. A strong RPC is proof that outbound tools, strategies, and processes are aligned to maximize the value of each connect. The key takeaway: a high RPC isn't just about more conversations, it's about controlling costs, protecting investments, and ensuring every outreach dollar works harder. Let's look at how right-party contact rate impacts the customer experience. First, minimizing customer frustration. When agents consistently reach the right person, it prevents accidental harassment of wrong parties, a problem especially common in collections. Second, brand reputation. Lower wrong-party contacts reduce the chances of complaints, lawsuits, or negative publicity, helping to protect and strengthen the organization's image. And third, the power of the first impression. When agents quickly connect with the correct customer, it sets the stage for a smoother, more positive interaction, whether the goal is repayment, sales, or relationship building. The takeaway is clear: a strong RPC doesn't just improve efficiency, it builds trust, protects reputation, and creates a better customer experience. Let's now explore how right-party contact rate connects to compliance and risk management. First, regulatory alignment. A higher RPC means fewer wasted dials to numbers on do not call lists or to unintended parties, which lowers the risk of compliance breaches. Second, lawsuit prevention. In collections especially, repeated wrong party contacts can trigger costly legal actions such as TCPA violations. A strong RPC helps minimize that exposure. And third, audit readiness. When RPC rates are consistently strong, it signals that outbound campaigns are well-targeted, accurate, and compliant, making regulatory audits far easier to pass. The bottom line, high RPC doesn't just improve efficiency, it acts as a safeguard, protecting the organization from compliance failures, lawsuits, and reputational damage. Finally, let's look at the strategic and business impact of right party contact rate. First, in sales campaigns, RPC is a direct driver of ROI. It determines whether a campaign has enough reach and engagement to be financially viable. Second, in collections strategies, RPC helps identify which debt portfolios are worth pursuing. Portfolios with consistently low RPC are often deprioritized or even sold off because the cost of chasing them outweighs the potential return. And third, scaling decisions. A high RPC gives leadership the confidence to scale outbound volumes, knowing that additional effort will convert into results. On the other hand, a low RPC signals the need for data cleansing, better dialing strategies, or even diversification into other channels. The key takeaway, RPC isn't just an operational metric, it's a strategic decision-making tool that shapes investments, portfolio management, and long-term growth. Let's walk through an impact scenario to see how right party contact rate directly affects collections outcomes. Imagine an outbound debt collection campaign with 10,000 calls attempted. At an RPC of 20%, that results in 2,000 right party connects. If the average collection per contact is $100, the total amount collected is $200,000. Now, let's see what happens if RPC improves to 30% through better data quality and optimized dialing. That same call volume now delivers 3,000 right party connects. At $100 each, total collections rise to $300,000. The key insight, with no increase in call volume, RPC improvement alone recovers an additional $100,000. That's the power of optimizing right party contact rate, higher financial impact without added workload. Let's conclude with why right party contact rate, or RPC, is such a cornerstone outbound KPI. On the revenue side, more right party contacts mean more opportunities, whether in sales, collections, or conversions. On the cost side, higher RPC reduces wasted effort, lowers telecom expenses, and drives down the cost per conversion. From a customer experience and compliance perspective, stronger RPC helps prevent wrong party frustrations, reduces complaints, and lowers the risk of lawsuits. And at the strategic level, RPC determines campaign viability, scalability, and long-term growth potential. In short, RPC bridges data quality, operational efficiency, compliance, and revenue outcomes, making it one of the most impactful metrics in any outbound contact center. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.